Welcome. In this video we are looking at tuples, one of Python's built-in ways to group values together. They are simple, fast, and come with one superpower: they never change. A tuple is an ordered collection you write inside round brackets. Once you create it, the contents are locked. You cannot add, remove, or swap any value. That fixed quality is exactly what makes tuples useful. Imagine sealing an envelope with exactly 2 cards inside. You can open it and read the cards whenever you like, but you cannot replace them. That is precisely how a tuple works: sealed at creation, readable forever. Here is our tuple stored in a variable called point. It holds 2 values, 3 at index 0 and 4 at index 1. You can read either value by its index, but trying to overwrite one causes an error. Unpacking lets you pull every value out of a tuple in one clean step. Writing x, y equals point automatically puts 3 into x and 4 into y, no index needed. Let us run the code. Printing point shows the whole tuple. Printing point at index 0 gives us 3. Then we unpack into x and y and print them both 3 and 4 side by side. The key difference is mutability. Reach for a tuple when your data is fixed, like a coordinate or a date. Reach for a list when your collection needs to grow, shrink, or change over time. To recap, a tuple is an ordered immutable sequence. Use it whenever your data should stay fixed. And remember, unpacking makes it easy to give each value a clear readable name.